For decades, Iran has wielded significant influence in the Middle East through its proxy network, using groups like Hezbollah, Hamas, and others to project power beyond its borders. But recent events have drastically weakened Iran's grip, shifting the balance of power in the region. Hezbollah, once Iran's most formidable asset, is now a shadow of its former self. Israel's military operations have decimated its leadership, including key figures like Hassan Nasrallah. What was once a powerful deterrent against Israel is now engaged in a fragile ceasefire, unable to effectively serve Iran's strategic interests. Hamas has also suffered devastating losses. Israel's recent military campaigns have crippled its operational capacity, making it unlikely to recover as a significant asset for Iran anytime soon. Meanwhile, Iran's remaining allies in Iraq and Yemen, such as the Houthis, lack the geographical advantage and military strength to replace Hezbollah as Iran's frontline force against Israel. With its proxies weakened, Iran now faces increased vulnerability. Israeli and U.S. strikes have heavily damaged its air defense systems and missile production facilities. To make matters worse, Iran's strategic retreat from Syria has left it further exposed. Adding to its troubles, Iran's economy is in crisis. U.S. sanctions have severely cut into its oil revenues, reducing exports by nearly 500,000 barrels per day. Inflation has soared, the Iranian rial is plummeting, and the nation's access to international financial markets remains severely restricted. The economic strain has also limited Iran's ability to fund its remaining proxy forces, further eroding its regional influence. Faced with these challenges, Iran has three possible paths forward. 1. Pursuing nuclear capabilities. Iran continues to advance its nuclear program, with experts warning that it could produce a nuclear weapon within weeks if it chooses to. 2. Rebuilding its proxy network. Iran may attempt to restore Hezbollah and Hamas to their former strength, though this will require significant resources and time. 3. Engaging in international diplomacy. Iran's moment of weakness could open the door for renewed diplomatic efforts, but tensions remain high. The weakening of Iran's proxies has reshaped the Middle Eastern landscape. While Iran's influence has diminished, it still retains the ability to cause instability, particularly through missile strikes and non-state actors. What happens next will depend on Iran's choices and the world's response.